Hello and welcome. Take a few moments to find yourself a nice, comfortable, relaxed position. Whether you want to be seated or fully reclined, take a moment, pause, check in. What does the body need today to be well? Don't be afraid to incorporate additional props, add or subtract layers to create comfort and temperature. Just ever so gently settle into your practice space, sensing the contact you have to the surface beneath, drawing just a little bit of length and energy through the spine, nothing rigid, creating ease through the face, the jaw, the shoulders, and the belly, inviting the gaze to soften towards the earth, or if it feels safe to do so, let the eyelids slip to a close. Just want to decrease the consumption of the external world and take this time to bring awareness in. You can begin with a gentle, easy breath, receiving its rhythm of expansion and contraction. Taking in the vastness of the inner landscape that is your body, mind, and heart. No need to rush and no need to force. There's no place to get to. Breathe and be here. So to open our practice today, I'd like to offer some words from Jana Romer. Patience is the loving language of the soul. It is the ability to step out of control and the willingness to softly step into flow. Patience is the mother of time, the skillful master of the mind. When the cosmos first arrived, 'twas patience that painted the skies. That patience aligned the stars, galaxies, here, near, and far. It can turn centuries into seconds. To those who master it, patience is magic. So you're invited to just begin with a slow, patient breath. Just allow yourself to slowly and gently settle into your posture, finding a position that maintains ease and wakefulness. And just as you slow the breath, gently draw attention to the top of the head, beginning to flow with ease down the body, offering a gentle encouragement for relaxation, softness, and flow, making space for the sensations of aliveness to move through you and within you, greeting any and all energy with patience, care, and curiosity. So we can begin to just unfurrow the brow, smooth out the muscles of the face, unclench the jaw, melt the tongue from the roof of the mouth, ever so slightly parting the lips, acknowledging that space within the throat as the shoulders begin to draw away from the ears. belly finds ease and relaxation as the arms become heavy and trust. The fists slowly unclench, coming to adopt a posture of openness and receptivity. Spaciousness starts to come through the hips and the glutes as the lower limbs relax into a state of heaviness. Our physical foundation of the feet find an organic resting place. Take your time. Notice the sensations. Greet the energies. Doing so in a way that slips beyond analysis and judgment. Just as you've created relaxation and openness in the body, gently come back to that slow, deep breath. As you breathe in, draw in a light. This is a soft, healing, patient energy, letting this light fill the entire body, going all the way into the cells and the psyche. This includes meeting all the dark and painful areas. And then as you breathe out, allow that pain, stress, or tension to release, dissolving out of you like a mist. Breathing in, draw in light. Breathing out, release that tension. Just slowly inhale to receive a soft, healing, comforting energy. As you exhale, sense the pain, the worry, the anxiety dissolve out of you like a beautiful mist. Breathing in, breathing out, embodying a presence of patience. Becoming one with ease, light, and flow. Just knowing that it's natural and normal for the mind to wander into thoughts, creating narratives about the past, trying to create certainty in prediction of the future. Breathe, be patient and playful in the redirection of awareness, returning to the flow of breath, receiving its fluidity. Inhale, exhale, drawing in light, releasing the darkness. What if, for just a moment or two, you became patient with yourself and with life, allowing things to be just as they are, giving this fleeting experience space for range, mystery, and complexity, adopting the way of the natural world, embracing, accepting, and allowing. Patience in action. And so if it would serve you in your practice today, you are invited to adopt a hand posture, one of receptivity and reverence. This could be resting the palms to face up, or bringing the hands softly to the heart space, or maybe letting the palms ground gently to the core of the body, a deep connection to the rhythm of breath and heartbeat. Continuing with a slow, patient breath, and if you so choose, quietly repeating within your mind, may I allow this moment to be just as it is. May I allow this body to be just as it is. May I allow this heart to be just as it is. There's nothing to prove. There's no need to force. Adopt the way of the natural world. Embrace, accept, and allow. Becoming patience. May I allow this moment to be just as it is. May I allow this body to be just as it is. May I allow this heart to be just as it is. No resisting, all embracing. Patience flowing freely from the inside out. So we'll be here together for a few moments in silence, deeply offering and embodying our intention. May I allow this moment to be just as it is. May I allow this body to be just as it is. May I allow this heart to be just as it is. And just in the background of awareness, continuing to inhale, drawing in the light, a soft, healing, patient energy. And as you exhale, letting out the pain, the stress, and the tension. Just gently dissolving like a mist, nothing rushed, nothing forced. No need to manipulate the experience. Allow the moment to be, just as it is. Creating any sense of resistance or rigidity with patience. Just let the breath soften that experience with no agenda. This is a practice of patience. Being here tenderly, empathetically with what is. Slowly find your way to the breath, dissolving the excess of this moment. Anything that's clouding you from being here in stillness and simplicity. And so if it would be helpful, I'd like to offer you just a simple reflection from John O'Donohue, one that I hope will companion you throughout your day and in the coming week. So these are his words. I would love to live like a river flows, carried by the surprise of its own unfolding. Notice how that lands. Receive the invitation if it's present for you. I would like to thank you for your practice, for coming here and sharing this space. And my hope is that as you prepare to move back into your day, which is ultimately a continuation of the practice, that you move through the moments with greater ease, a sense of openness, being surprised by the spontaneous unfolding. May you continue to be patience in action. Thank you so much for being here. Please continue to stay safe and be well.